How to transfer everything from the Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Transferring data from Google Chrome to Microsoft Edge can be done seamlessly using a built-in tool provided by the Microsoft Edge. This tool allows you to import various types of data from Chrome, including the bookmarks, browsing history, save passwords, and much more. So, let's get started without any further ado. First of all, open your Microsoft Edge. Once you open it, tap on the three dots which is on the top right corner. After that, you have to go to the settings. Once the setting page is open, it will open a new tab. Now, if you go to the profile section from the side panel, you will see an option called as import browser data. Tap on it and you have the first option to import data from Google Chrome. Select on the import button right beside it and you can choose from a variety of profiles of your Google Chrome as well as choose what to import and what to not. So you can simply tap on the section that you do not want to import and this way it will deselect the options. Now tap on the import button and it will start importing all of the data. However, keep in mind that only those data that are not currently in use will be imported. So if you have opened any tabs or the bookmarks, make sure to close it before importing it to Microsoft Edge. Once the import has been completed, if you go to the new tab, you will see the same data as of the Google Chrome. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.